Today we'll be unboxing some speakers, like a component set from the company. I think you pronounce it Hyanka, Hyanka. I may not be saying it right, but y'all get the point. I'm gonna leave y'all links down in the description where y'all can pick these up. Support the channel and the people who support me or whatnot. So I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can pick these up. Very affordable. Let's go ahead and get these open. Move it over in the camera a little bit. All right, as y'all can see right here, it's 1100 watts max power, 6.5-inch mid-range woofer times 2. 2 of those in the box. 1-inch neodymium silk soft dome tweeters times 2. It'll be 2 of those. Y'all can see right here, 2 of those, 2 of those, and high precision crossovers, and 2 of those as well, as you can see. Amazon Hyanka 8. I might not be saying it right, but y'all get the point. Let me go ahead and take these out. All right. Of course, you can buy these on Amazon. Be pretty fast shipping or whatnot. They do sell subwoofers or whatnot, and hopefully I have a review coming up on those. So if there's something you're interested in, we can make that happen as well. I got like a little project I'm thinking about making with this right here, but y'all stay tuned. We'll get that going in a few. But I definitely got some more stuff coming up that we're gonna start reviewing products as well, affordable deals. RMS 550 watts. Peak is 1100 watts. Y30 grade. I'm gonna just let y'all check it out. Normal impedance 4 ohms. Frequency response 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Y'all can see it's on the 6-inch mid-range speaker right there. It's got the cutout or whatnot right there on there as well. What else? The silk dome tweeter 4 ohms. Sensitivity is 91 dB. Frequency response is 1.5 kilohertz to 20,000. Y'all already know that. Crossovers, you can see all lit there. So let's go ahead and get this box open. It ain't bad. It ain't bad. Got a nice little packaging right here, as y'all can see. Y'all can see that. Comes with the manual. Okay. Of course, all the hardware is in the box and whatnot. All the information you'll need to go ahead and get these installed, I'm sure, is within the manual right here. We're gonna do a little bit of stuff like that as well. Of course, you can see how you can mount the tweeters or whatnot. Wiring up to the crossover as well. That's your manual. I'm gonna go ahead and take that over to the side. Got your warranty information on the back if you want to take a look at that. Of course, y'all can see the website too. All right, we got, of course, y'all know the little packaging. I'm sure you can use that to do something with. Of course, speaker grills. Now that's a plus right there. Because sometimes you have these in some spots that you may not want to take that chance in, you know, damaging your stuff. So I definitely keep these and probably use these as well. Go ahead and set those to the side. You get 2 of those. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this. Another piece of protection right there. I'm gonna fit it back in the box how I got it. All right. That's the speaker right there. 6.5. I think these come in other sizes as well. It's got a pretty nice feel to it. Make sure my paper don't fly everywhere. Nice gold push terminals right here. I like the push terminals more, I think, than the other ones where you just mount where you just solder your leads on, or not your leads, but your speaker wires or whatnot. I don't really like those, but I like these because it's a little bit easier to use. Got my paper blowing everywhere, but of course, you know, it's a good budget option. I think that's a paper cone. I guess that's what it's called. I think that's what I read anyway. But I'm sure you'll be able to see it as well. I think it's on the box somewhere. Nice magnet on the back. All right, let me go ahead and set this to the side. Of course, you get 2 of those. Both of them are the same, of course. 4 ohm. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these speaker grills out. See how that works. Well, I'm not really for sure how that goes. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Because it looks like I must be doing something wrong. I don't know. But as far as, because it has like this little lip on the inside. And I'm trying to see. Okay, there we go. There we go. Even better. I guess you sit this in there like this. And you screw it down where you need it. And then, once you get it done, I'm sure you go over the top with this. Let me see. Let me try to push it in. Okay. Y'all give me a second. There we go. There we go. You push it in like that. Of course, you can line it up right there with that. That'll be your speaker grill. And it kind of has a way it sits in there like so. Y'all can see. But it'll go in there like that to protect it, keep stuff from hitting it. And it feels pretty good too, so that's a plus. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take that back out. Alright, then of course, let me show y'all how it goes. Like a 2-piece deal. And you take it and you push that back in there. I'm gonna get it one way or the other. But anyway, y'all get the point. Trying to see if I can get this down in there. Anyway, man, I'm gonna set this to the side. Y'all get it. I'm gonna get it back together here somehow. Alright, there we go. Got it back in there. Alright, that's it. Put this back up in the bag. Alright, we're gonna get to the... Okay, we get to the silk dome tweeters first. Alright. It's got like a heavy weight to it too. We might try to see if we can install these in the other Suburban. I don't have 4 of them, but I only got 2 for right now, so I might just come up with another project for this. So, but I think I got something in mind. I will put it in my other truck, but like I said, I only got 2 of them. So I want to just probably do something else with it. I wish I could just put it in here, but I don't want to just put 2 speakers in here and 2 tweeters, and then, you know, y'all don't get the full effect because you'll still hear the rear speakers or whatnot. So, but we're gonna have to find another way. I'm gonna build something where we can play this thing. Well, the silk dome tweeters right here, as y'all can see, it's got a nice feel to it. Like I said, it's an affordable option right here. You know, that's something you guys are interested in. Right there. Let's see. I'm sure this is one of those type of deals where you mount this part to the actual wherever you're gonna put it, or unless you put a hole in wherever you're gonna mount it. Make sure my plastic don't fly away. And wherever you're gonna mount it, and this sits down in it, you know, like so. And you run the wire through the back right here, and then, you know, of course, you know, it'll mount in there like that. So y'all get the point on that. And that that is included inside this box as well. Of course, you get 2 of these, so you don't have to you know, buy them separate. They all come with this kit. Okay, you got your hardware right here, your mounting hardware, screws and stuff like that, all included in the box. All your speaker wires for your tweeters and your 6.5. You get 2, then you get all your hardware is included. So, and I'm sure that some of those screws are to mount the crossover right here. know, I might have picked a bad day to do this, guys. Comes with 2 of these, as y'all can see. I'm gonna go ahead and open one. It has that gold, like the gold screws on this one as well. I don't know, guys. This might be all right. This might be all right. Of course, y'all can see in there the crossover right here. And of course, you know, if you see right here, they have in the manual, they give you all the instructions on how to plug this up. So it ain't nothing to it. You know, once you plug it up, that's how you might want to protect your stuff. But if you want to run these without this, I'm sure it can be done. But this is probably the safer way. Just use the crossovers that they come with. But like I said, they give you 2 of these as well. Alright, guys, we got this just an unboxing video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get something built. I'm going to try to work on that today for this. And we're going to get some more testing going on. I'm going to go ahead and put this up. This is nice. I like the gold finish that got on these and the terminals on the speakers as well. Let me go ahead and get these back in the box. Like the gold terminals right there. I like that. Let me get my plastic so I can put this stuff back up until I get ready to go ahead and mount these. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to work on that in a few. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the link down below so you can go and pick these up. Affordable option, guys. You know, sometimes you may not want to spend much, but we're gonna put these things to the test and see how good they sound. And like I said, be sure to like, subscribe on the video, share the video, and be sure to go over to on Instagram and check out the page as well. They may have more products on there. I think they got an Instagram page, but I haven't really saw anything on their page, but of course it's there. But y'all be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me get this stuff put up. Okay. Hit that notification bell, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Use the links down below. Pick up anything you need. Pick up these and everything else, man, and car audio that you may need. Support the channel. Links down there. Support, donate, whatever you want to do is all there. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. See y'all back on the next one.